I will not be evil and keep quiet about it because ngisaba ukuthi bazothini abantu. A lot of people, they keep quiet because isaba ukuthi bazothini obani while we are dying inside, while lo muntu goes to the next person. This is how phela rapists are never stopped. Now we dating people and asazi ukuthi no one makes noise about them. I was a victim of a rape and I'll speak about it. Okay, the guy has been trying to chill and or spend time with me. Okay, it was not prior to the event we had met before. He invites me for a braai, and then I'm like, no, I won't make it. Okay, fine. I'm like, pick me up after a braai. I don't mind spending time with you. Yeah, okay. After braai, and he picks me up. He's driving to Kaputwak, and I'm like, awuthanga sidlini yakho Chesterfield. Athi no bhuti wami akekho, just relax, ngibe nalento ethi fuck, like I just don't like yabo lento yokuthi ngibolekwe indlu or something. I just don't like it. Ngize mangifika ngithi athi remember I told you ukuthi bengihlala la and ngahanjisa ukuthi ubhuti wami uhlala nentombi yakhe, so it's not a comfortable kind of setting, but weekends ngihlala la. So ngithi mina, so this is your bedroom? Athi yes. Ayikube yimanxa ngikhululeka. Athi hayi ubhuti wami abe nestori sokuthi after ibra ubhuti wami uhambile uye kwimama lakhe uzobuya ekuseni. Okay, ngi-relax nangampela masifika endlini ngithule nje akukho. We just had conversations, and the first thing that I also remember masifika endlini, he offered me into yokuphuza. And then after everything happened, I'm asking myself, shuthi kwakumele ngidragwe, kwakumele ngifike ebrayini ngidragwe, mhlampe ngiphuze because kwakuphuzwa ngidragwe, and then they would have taken turns nje out. Okay, fast forward guys, we have deep conversations as abantu who are just building and starting a relationship. Sends at the forbidden style. Nenye nje into red flag, we walk in the room and you immediately switch off the lights. And ngoba uzoyibona le video, I even asked him ukuthi, did you lock the door? And then athi no, okay, I walk. And I'm like, okay. Yeah, because I'm a fussy person, like but then at this point I'm like, I'm so fussy, let me just let my guard down, let me stop being too dramatic, because I feel like I end up pushing people away because I'm just so stuck up. I never relax. Getting for once, no, so just relax and just go with the flow, you know. Okay, we end up, after the conversations, we end up doing the date. My sense of the date, I remember his phone was ringing and he asked me, and I'm like, while we were having conversations, and I was like, no, ibambe, and then he was just replying, I'm say, it's like a be ready. Okay, we do the forbidden style, guys, and then I could feel something was just odd. I could feel the difference. I could feel the difference, and then mangi feel it different, something, or you feel it different, and get to pull, and I'm thinking maybe ngiyahlanya. Like I'm so stuck up ngalendlela ukuthi I'm always looking for into wrong. Like I'm that person. I'm always like 2 steps ahead. Like given that I can feel the difference, and I'm like, no, don't be too much, just relax. Even people, maybe it's because I haven't done the deed, maybe I'm just feeling weird. Okay, you feel it different for a while, and then after some time I'm like, hey, again penduke and check. Kati mase ngiphenduka usephumile lo second person, sekukhona the main manje, and then makhona the main kimi, lo omunye ubambe yena ngemuva. Ngithuke guys, and when I felt the difference, I thought maybe they took the CONDOM off. I thought he took it off, ngabuye ngayizwa ukuthi khona, and then that's when I could feel ukuthi no, there's more to this than that. And then I looked again and I realized ukuthi, like, you know, when you're like, kanti what is going on, kube nento ethi phenduka, yabo. And then mangiphenduka, guys, lona abona ukuthi usebanjiwe avela athi yabo lento ukuthi fuck, kanti ngithuswe yilezandla ngiyitshela ukuthi mhlambe ngilele nesilwane nje, guys, like what's going on, ngibasaba abantu abathwele. Mangithi sengisukumile, I could see the other person is shorter than him and he's darker than him. Guys, mind you, the room is pitch black, but uNkulunkulu wakwazi ukuthi ngibone these hands. But when I now tried to look for my clothes, I couldn't find my clothes. That's how dark it was. I couldn't find my clothes. And then while I was looking for my clothes, the thingy, I could hear umnyango like uvuleka shuthi lo uyabaleka. And one thing I did after ngibona lo, I hit him like la ehlweni, because he's like almost my height. I'm shy ehlweni. So guys, okay, I'm shy ehlweni. Mangimshaye ehlweni, I started screaming. And mangiqeda ukuscreama, no, I started screaming. I think I screamed like 3. And then yathi into yokushaya. And then nginamandla mina, but then I was like, labantu ngeke ngibamele ngingedwa babili. And then I started looking for my clothes. And while I was looking for my clothes, the other person ran out. Shukuthi like he ubalekela to the other room. And then lona ulibethi yini ubonani, and then I started acting crazy. Ugogo wami uyi-screensaver sefoni yami, and I was like, I think I'm seeing things. I saw lo, yabo, this is my leg raining nginabantu abadala, I'm seeing things. I started acting up ngale ndlela, guys, just to leave that room alive. And the problem with ama-rapists is they'll do anything, they'll do anything out of panic as well. And they'll do, and they never plan of the outcome, but they end up killing you because like they will kill you for that. I acted crazy. I told him I'm feeling hot. I also didn't even give him a chance by the door, because now I don't even want to give him a chance to think and by the door, a burglar is not locked. That's when I was like, thank God, and then he followed me after. I'm lucky umnganami had a live location. I told him I'm not safe, this just happened to me. I was like, girl, I think I was great, I just got raped, you know. And then I never confronted the guy because like, guys, I was like shaking in a way. I couldn't believe what just happened to me. I couldn't believe someone that I trusted, someone who looked and seemed so genuine, will do something like this, Kimina. So I was like shaking. I remember asking him for water so I can send my friend EVN. And then he came back with amanzi. I was even scared to drink amanzi because I'm thinking they're gonna spike amanzi. And then he's like, ungahambi nge-Uber ngizokuhambisa ngithi mina, and I'm like, angangasafuni lutho olungihlanganise naye. And then up until this day, I never confronted him. Ngasuka kuyena ngaya straight police station. Up until today, when I sent him this message, and akakaze angiphendule. This is I'm very strong right now, guys, because there's people around in the house. It's like I'm a story, like I've cried days and days about this, asking myself, why would something like this happen? But then at the same time, because kuma situations a lot of people don't come out alive. And one thing I'll tell you guys, if someone can rape you, they can also kill you. Trying to gather some strength, and then ngiright mina guys, I'm very strong, and I'm very strong because uNkulunkulu has been with me through so many challenges. And even this, I even said they actually chose the right person, because number one, I'm God's child, and number two, they chose umuntu who will come out and talk about it. I'm not even scared. Another thing is, like I was the right person because I also came out alive. Omunye umuntu bengeke aze aphume ephila, yabo. This takes me back to an incident where someone came in our room. I was still staying in Maritzburg. And then I was staying with Anele because he saw the men in our room. It's a long story for another day now. And then my first instincts were ngivuke, and I was like, ufunani wena la ngikhuluma ngebhesi. And then shuthi lo muntu wathuka waphuma wabaleka because he knew ukuthi indle yamantombazane. But nje for me to be able to act crazy, because the guys, a rapist masibanjiwe, chances are uzobulawa. This is how most women get killed, because umuntu usuke esethi nje angicishe ubufakazi. And then what just breaks my heart again, ukuthi a lot of women bang in boxer sharing their stories. They are stories that will never be heard, and I hate the fact that rapists feel, victims feel like they should be ashamed of what happened to them. I hate how it's like wired lent you end up, because I was like, I shouldn't have done this. My guts were telling me this, I shouldn't. But the thing is, you can get raped by literally anyone, whether you've known the person for years, whether you've known the person for months, whether you can grade by umuntu wagini ubaba wako. Kids get raped by their dads, their uncles. This thing is happening every day, and to hear such sad stories, guys, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like it is so sad. Kubuhlungu. And then uNkulunkulu futhi, guys, uhlezi kuzokwenzeka into, and he will show you ukuthi I was with you every step of the way. I did mention ukuthi the room was so dark, but I was able to see the hands, and I was able to see the person as well. But then when it was time to look for my clothes, I couldn't find my clothes. The room was like, it's kind of like pitch black, but there was this light eshayo ukuthi ngiyibone lento ekumele ngiyibone. And then that happened weekend, and then on Monday I had clients, I had to work. I remember thinking I should cancel the client. She had booked for makeup for 2 days. She had an event. I was like, let me just cancel this lady. And then I was like, hey, let me just ngisebenze. And then she got here early, and then out of the blue we started having conversations, and then she was telling me about her experience when she was raped as a child. And then she was telling me about a friend of hers that got raped, a male friend that got raped by 6 men, and then I think the friend didn't open a case, was a while late. When esegezile esenze yonke lento engamele ayenze yokugeza, of which a lot of this kumina kwakuzoba amazwe enduduzo ukuthi your situation could have been worse and you survived. Kumina, because I never told the client what I went through. I don't know how these conversations went from one to another, then I started sharing with her, I was also in a situation like that, and I was sharing, and I was not crying because I'm listening to her stories, and they sound even more traumatic to me, who has been through the same thing, And
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Yo guys, waze waxoxa story lesibuhlungu sesilapha ku-TikTok ligama lakhe nguNoku. Sixoxa story sokuthi wadlengulwa kanjani, adlengulwa angisandile Khoza, alobika boyfriend yakhe lobika Tanzania naye that guy uStabane, and yena ne-boyfriend yakhe badlengula amantombazane just kukuthi ba feel pleasure. I don't know, ba feel pleasure uba ba experience, I don't know, it's just weird nje. And balabaningi bathi hayi bosisi waze wasixoxa story sokuthi nakithi kwendekile, lomnye uthi nakuye kwendekile, lomunye nami lo mfana bekangisoma. It's like they go around targeting women, balale nawe baqishe light, ungaboni balokhu bantshitshana nawe, wena you will think ukuthi it's the same person kani nguye ne-boyfriend yakhe. Guys, kuyathusa clearly ma-psycho. They need to trend. People need to see them. People need to see their faces. But okhona abantu ukuthi badlalele ekuthini nabo. People are weird, man. People are crazy. People are psychos la ngaphandle. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.